are up here in the Hilltowns today. We're at 47 North Street in Blandford. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. This place looks spectacular.
Great home.
All right, Steph, you know what to do.
Let's go look around. Come on.
All right, let's start by going into the kitchen.
Yeah, this is a great kitchen, center island. And look, don't miss the butler's pantry.
Around the corner, we have first floor laundry.
And a great office space over here. Check that out.
There's really great lighting throughout, huge windows everywhere. Let's go back to that main room we started in.
Oh, I love this room. The big dining room, the built-ins, the gorgeous family room with all those windows and all that natural light.
Let's go look at the full bath here on the first floor.
And then if we pop around the corner here, we see this great room here that could be a good flex space for pretty much anything you need.
All right, let's head on upstairs.
We've got 4 bedrooms up there, including a primary and another full bath up there.
All right, let's go to the primary first because this one is probably one of my favorite rooms in the house. Wow, all right, back to the main hallway that feeds off to the other 3 bedrooms. Another one here. Oh, hi, Barbie.
Oh, hi, Barbie.
And then back around, we're going to come down the hall, see another full bath and an extra bedroom tucked back here. You have to come check this place out. The backyard is just phenomenal,
It's got 0.9 acres.
You want a private showing, hit Steph up. If you want to go over some financing options, hit me up. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. We're out of here.